Now guys, we have a customer problem about his electronic parking brake. If I press this switch, there's no indicator right on dashboard. So, and also the actuator is not working. Why? This switch had, I think, had a problem because it is just I feel just losing, and it is see, supposed to be, it is a little bit hard to push or pull, but it is losing. It might customer broke this switch inside. Okay, so have a look on current data and actuation test later. Okay, I will do first my service because the customer enter in our workshop to do the uh, complete service. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, parking brake switch not part. So this is the current data. So this is proof that the problem is on switch. Okay, parking brake switch.